this morning I gave the puppies a little bit more space because I am going to have them meet my dogs for the first time. I'm going to start with my Cavapoo, which you can see over there is already sniffing them and checking them out. Let me get her in the play area and let's see how things go. So as you saw, the puppies did great with my dogs. My Cavapoo was obviously a little bit more excited to see them. My Shepherd was excited, but you noticed how she was much more cautious. She knows she's bigger and she has to be much more careful with the little ones. But everybody did really well for their first meeting. My dogs have never been around puppies before either, so it was a new experience for them as well. So we hope you enjoy this, and I will see you again tomorrow.